Hi, I'm Dear Friends, and today I'll show you how to use Audacity to make your audio file better. For example, you did a recording, and if you listen to a file, you'll see that there are some noises that you don't want them to be. Let's see.
Hi, I'm Dear Friends, and my gradient tool in Photoshop doesn't work.
And what is more important, you're trying to increase the volume, but it's not possible.
Let's see. So this is Photoshop project, and
okay, that's why I downloaded Audacity. It's for free, and I will return back to my Filmora and do right click on my video, which is on timeline, and choose detach audio. Okay, now let us temporarily delete video part and export our file like MP3 file. Okay, go back to Audacity and click on File, Open, and find your MP3 file you just saved and open it. Okay, now let's listen.
Hi, I'm Dear Friends, and my gradient tool in Photoshop doesn't work.
Firstly, let's remove the noises. You can see this is your voice, and let's choose some area when you're not talking. This, for example, I'm holding the left click of my mouse and selecting this area. So here you're not talking and there is only this noisy sound. Now I'm going to Effect and choosing Noise Reduction. Here you have to choose noise reduction from 0 to 12, but I like it to be 9. Sensitivity I will not touch, and frequency I let to be 3. It's okay. And now you have to click on Get Noise Profile. Now you remembered the noise you have to remove, and we are selecting all the audio part you want to do better, and go to Effect again and click on Repeat Noise Reduction. Okay, now this disturbing noise is removed. Let's see.
Hi, I'm Dear Friends, and my gradient tool in Photoshop.
Okay, and the second problem that I wanted to fix is to make my voice louder. So I'm going to Effects again, choose Amplify, and here let's move slider a little bit, choose OK, and listen.
Hi, I'm Dear Friends, and my gradient.
Or if you think it's still not loud enough, let's do it like this.
Hi, I'm Dear Friends, and my gradient tool in Photoshop doesn't work. Let's see. So this is Photoshop project.
There are a lot of other things available in Audacity, but for now it's enough. And let us export our file. I will export it like MP3, for example, again, and let it be MP3 is good. Save. Okay, now closing our Audacity, and let's go back to our Filmora.
Hi.
Let's delete our audio file, and now this is our video like it was, and I will detach again audio, or I could just mute it, but I'd like to remove it totally, and I will import the audio file we just created and drag and drop it into timeline. And now let's listen.
Hi, I'm Dear Friends, and my gradient tool in Photoshop doesn't work. Let's see.
I think it's much better. And now just export everything like MP4 video file. That's it. Thank you for staying with me, and hope to see you soon. Bye.